Hello and welcome. In this project, we are going to explore a classic programming concept, calculating the factorial of a number using recursion in Python. So what is a factorial? Before we dive into the code, let's understand what is a factorial. The factorial of a non-negative integer n is the product of all the positive integers less than or equal to n. It is denoted as n, then exclamation mark. So it is n factorial. Now, for example, 5 factorial is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 120. 4 factorial like this is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is 24. And 0 factorial is always defined as 1 by convention. Factorials are widely used in mathematics, especially in permutations, combinations, and probability. So now let's dive into the hands-on. So first we are going to define a function, def factorial, which accepts an argument n. And here you are going to learn a classic thing. We are going to use a single return statement, okay, like this. And also along with that, it will contain if-else condition. Yes, the thing is you can do it like this. So return one if n equals 1. Else, now you don't need to write return, just write the expression, that's it, which is n multiplied by, call this factorial function only, but with argument n minus 1. So it is the recursive way, which calls the function itself. Okay, so you got the concept, right? Next, we are going to take input from user, and again we will convert it to integer. Enter a number. It will be inside quotes. Next, print factorial of n is, next, call the function itself. Factorial n. Alright. That's it. Now let's execute it. Right? So, Python factorial. Enter a number. Let's write here 5, which we know it's going to be 120. There you go. Factorial of 5 is 120. Let's execute it one more time. Let's make it say 6. So 120 multiplied by 6, we know it's going to be 720. There you go. It's 720. So you can ask that why use recursion? This solution is elegant and concise. Recursion is a fundamental concept in computer science that allows us to solve complex problems by breaking them into smaller sub-problems. So in this lesson, you learned what a factorial is, how to compute it using recursion in Python, how the recursive function works with a base case and recursive step. Try it out with different numbers and watch how recursion simplifies your logic beautifully. Keep coding and see you in our next project.